Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a very practical topic, how to convert square meters to square feet, and the other way around, directly in Excel. Ever been in a situation where you have measurements in one unit and need them in another? Maybe you're comparing property sizes, working with architectural plans, or even just planning your next DIY project.
Excel can make this conversion super simple.
In this video, we'll cover the basic formulas for converting square meters to square feet and vice versa. Don't worry, they're not complicated. How to implement these formulas directly in Excel using simple calculations. We'll walk through it step by step. A quick tip to avoid common mistakes and ensure accurate conversions. So if you want to save time and frustration, stick around. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks.
Alright, let's get started.
Screen showing Excel sheet. First things first, let's understand the conversion factors. 1 square meter is equal to approximately 10.764 square feet. Conversely, 1 square foot is equal to approximately 0.0929 square meters. Screen showing an Excel cell with square meters as a header and a value, for example 50. Okay, so let's say we have a value in square meters that we want to convert. Let's put it in cell A1. We'll say it's 50 square meters. Screen showing an adjacent cell with square feet as a header. Now in cell B1, we'll enter the formula to convert this to square feet. The formula is equals A1 asterisk 10.764. Screen showing the formula being typed and the resulting value being displayed.
Spätný apostrof rovno A1 hviezdička 10764 spätný apostrof.
Hit enter, and there you have it. 50 square meters is approximately 538.2 square feet. Screen showing an Excel cell with square feet as a header and a value, for example, 400. Now, let's do the opposite. Let's say we have a value in square feet that we want to convert to square meters. Let's put 400 square feet in cell C1. Screen showing an adjacent cell with square meters as a header. In cell D1, we'll enter the formula to convert square feet to square meters. The formula is equals C1 asterisk 0.0929. Screen showing the formula being typed and the resulting value being displayed. So, equals C1 asterisk 0.0929. Hit enter and boom. 400 square feet is approximately 37.16 square meters. Screen showing both conversions side by side. See? It's that easy. You can copy these formulas down to apply them to multiple values in your spreadsheet. Screen highlighting the importance of consistent units. Now for a quick tip, make sure you're using the correct units. It sounds obvious, but double-checking will save you from major errors. Always label your columns clearly, like square meters and square feet, to avoid confusion. Screen returning to the speaker. And that's it. Now you know how to convert square meters to square feet and vice versa in Excel. This simple trick can save you a lot of time and effort in various situations. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more useful Excel tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below what other Excel tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!